Hey everybody, got new tires on my car this weekend. What prompted me to do that was that the tires that were on there, they were about 8 years old. They were made back in 2010. It's now 2018. If you're wondering how I figured out how old those tires were, all you have to do is look at the sidewall of your tire. As you can see, if you look closely, there's a bunch of information printed all around the sidewall. So just kind of read that until you come to the DOT code. So that's this right here. It says DOT, and then the code comes after it, 12 digits after that. The first two, they don't mean anything in terms of dates. You'll want to look at the last one. It says 1818, and what that tells you is that the tire was made in the 18th week of the year 2018. So these are in fact brand new tires that I just got on my vehicle. In some cases, DOT only requires the date part of the code to be printed on one side of the tire. So if you don't see it immediately, just go ahead and check other tires on your vehicle in the chance that those tires have the date code facing outward. Otherwise, if none of them do, just peek around the back, assuming you got enough room, to see the date code on the inside sidewall, and that'll definitely tell you how old your tire is. So that's the quick and easy way how to tell how old your tire is. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day.